Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable virtualization without BIOS. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, the only thing you need to do is to just go and search your control panel. Just click there and here you will find the option for programs. We have to click on programs, and in the programs you will find the option for turn Windows feature on or off. Just click in that function, and in these folders you will find the option for Hyper-V. Just tick the Hyper-V, scroll a bit, and you have to find for the option as Windows hypervisor platform. We have to check this as well, and once you check both of these, just click on OK. Now Windows will find our required files, and once they find, you will see the option for restart. Now we just need to click here, then you will get to see that your PC is now restarting. And yeah, that's it. Now it is quite possible that your virtualization is now enabled. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.